morning students, welcome back to the class. So today in this class we will do exercise 62, which is the last exercise from chapter 12, and in this exercise we will do the multiplication and division of capacity. Okay, so let's begin the exercise. First I am doing question number 1. Question number 1 is multiply and express the answer in terms of liter. So I am doing first question number 1's A. Okay, so question number 1A is multiply 375 ml by 8. Okay. So we have to multiply 375 ml by 8. So first we will convert this ml to liter. How can we convert it to liter? Divided by 1000. So it is 0.375 liter. Now multiply it by 8. So here I am doing the multiplication without the point. 0.375 is there, I am doing without the point. 8 5 is 40, 0 here 4 in hand. 7 is 56 plus 4 60, 0 here 6 in hand. 3 is 24 plus 6 30. So 3000, and now 3, after the point 3 digits are there. So the point will be here. It will be 3 liter. We will put the point 1, 2, 3 here. So it will be 3 liter. So answer is 3 liter. First you have to convert ml to liter, then you have to multiply. Okay. Next I am doing question number 1's C. C is 12 liter 75 ml by 25. Okay, so again we will convert this whole thing first to liter, then we will multiply by 25. So 12 divided by 12 is already in liter. 12 plus 75 divided by 1000 liter. Okay, because 75 is in ml. Now into 25. So it's 12 plus 0.075 liter into 25. That means 12.075 into 25. Now we will do the multiplication. Here I am doing the multiplication. Without the point is 12.075 and it's 25. Okay. So 5 5 is 25, 5 here 2 in hand, 5 7 is 35 plus 2 37, 3 in hand, 5 0 is 0 plus 3 3, 5 2 is 10, 0 1 in hand, 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6, 5 2 is 10, 1 in hand, 7 2 is 14 plus 1 15, 5 1 in hand, 2 0 0 plus 1 1, 2 2 is 4 and 2 1 is 2. Now 5 7 8 1 10 3. That means now we will put the point 301.875. Now we will put the point 1 2 3 digits are there after the point. So 1 2 3. The point will be here. 301.875 liter. 301. I hope you can see the point here. 301.875 liter is the required answer. Now next I am doing division, question number 2, where I am doing question number 2's A. Which is divide 5.375 liter by 5. So it's already in liter. So we will just divide it. Okay. So 5 here 5.375. So 5 ones are 5. Now we will put the point here and we will take down 3. It's less than 5. So again we will put a 0. We will take down 7. 5 7s are 35. I am writing 7 here because space is not there. 2, then 5. So 5 5s are 25. That means 1.075 liter. Since it's already in liter, that's why we have just divided it by 5. If it's in ml, then we will first convert it to liter, then we will divide. Okay. Now see, in question number 2, all the sums all are in liter only. So that's why we don't have to convert it to anything. You will just divide. Okay, simple division. Okay, now I am next doing word sums. Question number 3 first I am doing from the word sums. Question number 3 is Ronnie bought 5.500 liter petrol at rupees 65 per liter. So how much did he pay for the petrol? So the cost of 1 liter petrol is, per liter means 1 liter petrol is rupees 65. We have to find the cost of 5.500 liter petrol. So we have to multiply. So what statements we will write here? The cost of petrol is rupees 65 per liter. Okay. Therefore, the cost of 5.500 liter petrol is rupees 5.500 into 65. So if the cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 65, then the cost of 5.500 liter petrol is 5.500 into 65. Rupees 5.500 into 65. Now we will do the multiplication here. See, this is already, this capacity is already in liters, so we don't have to convert it to anything. Without the point and without the 0, I am just multiplying 55 by 65. So 5 5s are 25, 2 in hand, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. 5 6 are 30, 0 here 3 in hand, 5 6 are 30 plus 3 33. So 5 7 5 3, that is rupees. Now see, without the point and without the 0 we have done this multiplication. So we will put 2 zeros and after that we will put point before 3 digits from the right. 3 digits are there. So 1 2 3 it will be here. So that means rupees 357.5. Okay, 300 rupees 357.5 is the required answer. So what is the answer in a complete sentence? That the cost of 5.500 liter petrol is rupees 357.5. Okay. Next, question number 4 I am doing. Question number 4 is Radhika bought 1.250 liter milk at rupees 39 per liter. So how much did the milk cost her? So here again you just need to multiply. Same process. Per liter, the cost of per liter or 1 liter milk is given as rupees 39. So what will be the cost of 1.250 liter petrol? Simple multiplication. Sorry, milk. You have to just simple multiply. Okay, so I am not doing this question number 4. Next I am doing question number 6. Question number 6 is Mahmood filled 8 containers equally by 10.800 liter engine oil. Okay. So how much engine oil is in each container? So total, what is the total amount of engine oil? Total total capacity of engine oil 10.800 liter is the total capacity. And Mahmood has filled this engine oil into 8 containers. Equally he has divided the engine oil into 8 containers. So how much each container will get, okay, or each container will contain how much engine oil. So that's why, since equally he has divided, we have to divide the total capacity by 8. So what statements we will write here. So this is question number 6. So we will just first write Mahmood filled 8 containers equally by 10.800 liter engine oil. Therefore, each container holds 10.800 divided by 8 liter engine oil. So each container will hold 10.800 divided by 8 liter engine oil. So now we will do the division. Since this capacity is already in liter, we will not convert it to anything. Just divide it by 8. 8 ones are 8. 2 is remainder. So we will put the point here and take down 2. 8 3 is a 24. 4 is remainder. We will take down 0. 8 5 is a 40. Then 1 0 is there. 8 zeros are 0. I hope you can see this last time. This is 0 and no remainder is there. So 1.305 liter. Each container holds 350 liter engine oil. Okay, this is the answer. Next, I am doing question number 7. That question number 7 is, if 5 bottles hold 6.250 liter Coca-Cola, how much Coca-Cola is in 7 bottles? If 5 bottles hold 6.250 liter Coca-Cola, so how much Coca-Cola is in 7 bottles? So first we will find out how much Coca-Cola 1 bottle will hold. Then we will find out how much Coca-Cola will 7 bottle hold. Okay. So we will first write 5 bottles hold 6.250 liter Coca-Cola. Therefore 1 bottle will hold, this is unitary method, you know, 1 bottle holds 6.250 divided by 5 liter Coca-Cola. So first we will divide it. 6.250 divided by 6. You will do the this division in the rough at the right side of the page. Divided by 6.250 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 1 remainder, we will take down 2 and put here a point. 5 2s are 10. 2 remainder, we will take down 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 zeros are 0. So 1.250 liter will each bottle or 1 bottle will hold 1.250 liter Coca-Cola. Okay, so after doing the division, you will write here 1.250 liter. Now we will find out how much Coca-Cola will 7 bottle hold. So 7 bottles hold 1.250 into 7 liter. Okay. So now without the point and without the 0 we will multiply 1.25. So 125 into 7. 7 5 is 35, 7 2 is 14 plus 3 17. 7 here, 1 in hand. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8. So 875. Now 1 0 we will put here because we have multiplied without the point, and after 3 digit we will put the point here. So it will be 8.75 0 liter petrol. Sorry, 0 liter Coca-Cola. Sorry. So 7 bottles hold 8.750 liter Coca-Cola. That is the answer. So this exercise is done. That was the last exercise and a very short and easy exercise. I hope you understood the exercise. So one chapter is remaining from our annual term syllabus. In the next video we will be starting that chapter, integers. I hope you understood the previous chapters. Start revising the chapters which I have done in the previous classes, because in that time we were giving your exams. If you find any confusion, then you can call me anytime. So till the next video, take care and bye.